Hi everybody! Today I'm gonna make one of my favorite side dishes. It tastes just like sukiyaki. You're gonna love it. And it could be preserved food. I've been thinking about it recently. So let's get started. You'll need beef and ginger and my favorite ingredient, shiitake. The condiments are sake, sugar, mirin, soy sauce, and dashi. Soak the finely cut ginger into water for the preparation. Put sake into boiling water to shabu-shabu all the meat. Soak for about 10 to 15 seconds. Take it out. Leave them on the kitchen paper. Put all the ingredients in a pan: dashi, sugar, mirin, soy sauce, and sake. Heat it up. When it gets warm, put shiitake into it and let it boil. When it's boiled, add the meat. Roughly mix it up. And add the ginger. Again, roughly mix it up. And then just cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. That's it. Now, dish up. Of course, with the sauce. It matches with steamed rice so well. As I said, you can keep it in the fridge for 3-4 days as I cooked it with sugar and soy sauce. So you can enjoy this at least for a couple of days. And of course, you can put it in a bento for lunch, which I love. Whichever the style is, I hope you're gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.